Hello students, this is second video for you. In the previous video, we have discussed the aim of the experiments as well as material required for the experiment. Now, theory for the experiment. Student, since this practical is related with pollen germination, so you must know about pollen grains. Students, you have studied about pollination. I think you know very well that pollination is the process in which pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the flower. So if no pollination is there, then there is no pollen grains germination. Now what are pollen grains? Pollen grains are microspores which contain male gametophytes and are produced by meiosis of microspore mother cells. Students, where do you get or where my pollen grains locate? Pollen grains are located on the inner edge of the pollen sac. Now, structure of the pollen grains. If you see this diagram, here this is the structure of a pollen grain, where you can say pollen grains, they have double layer. The outer layer is exine and the inner layer is intine. Pollen grain possess two types of cells. One is the vegetative cell and other is the generative cell. Now, these vegetative cells, these are also known as tube cells. When pollen grains starts germinating, then they are transformed into pollen tubes. And the generative cells, they give male gametes after germination. So this is the initial stage. Now when pollen grains, they fall on the surface of the stigma, they start germinating, and this is the condition when they are germinated. During germination condition, pollen grains, there arise a pollen tube. So this is exine, the inner layer is intine, and there is a germ pore from where this pollen tube arise, and vegetative cells, they are transformed into two gametes, male gametes. So in this way, pollen grains, they germinate. Now, this is all about the pollen germination. Students, what is the utility of this germination? So pollen grains, when the pollen grains germinate, then this tube-like structure, it reaches to the ovary, and there the fusion of male and female gametes takes place, and the process of fertilization takes place, and the formation of fruits and seeds takes place. So it is a very important process which you have studied and you used to observe this in the lab. Now the next step is procedure. So for this, take your cavity slide. Now on this cavity slide, put few drops of Newton medium in the cavity. Now carefully take out the pollen grains or take out the anther with filament and dust it in the Newton medium. Students, you can see this flower. Here at the top, this is the stigma, and these are pollen grains, anther, filament, where pollen grains are there. So dust this. So when you dust this, carefully take the anther and dust it in the Newton medium. Sometimes you have to take out the anther and crush it on the other slide, and with the help of brush take out the pollen grains and put it on the Newton medium. But in some flowers, if you dust it directly, then easily they are transformed in the Newton medium. Now your Newton medium contains pollen grains. Now leave for 5 minutes and then observe it under microscope. You have to repeat this activity at regular time interval about after half an hour. Then you will able to see some of the pollen grains are germinated and their tube-like structure has arisen. So in this way you will able to observe pollen tube on the cavity slide. Students, this is all about this practical. When you will be in the lab, then you will perform this activity and there you will do it. I am going to provide a PDF of the chapter also, so that you should go through the chapter and you understand it very well, and it will be easy for you to write it in your practical record. In your practical record, you have to write all the steps, that is from aim to precaution, and you have to draw all the diagrams which are given in the book. Now during this practical you have to take precaution. First of all, you must take mature and fresh seasonal flower. And your slide which you have taken, it should be neat and clean. So this is all about this practical. Now in next video, I will conduct another practical. Okay, thanks.